Ace the GRE. Best study materials and resources. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be diving into a crucial part of your GRE test preparation: selecting the right study materials and resources. No matter where you are in your study process, the right resources can make a significant difference in your performance. Let's get started. Firstly, it's important to understand the structure of the GRE test. The GRE is split into three sections: verbal reasoning, quantitative reasoning, and analytical writing. Each section requires different skills, strategies, and, yes, study materials. We'll talk about resources for each section in detail in the following sections. When it comes to verbal reasoning, your primary focus should be on improving your vocabulary and reading comprehension. Use word lists and flashcards to build a strong vocabulary. GRE prep books often contain comprehensive word lists specifically curated for the test. As for reading comprehension, practice is key. Consider using academic articles, newspapers, and novels to improve your understanding of complex written materials. Quantitative reasoning requires strong mathematics skills, especially in algebra, arithmetic, geometry, and data analysis. Look for GRE prep books that have sections dedicated to these topics. Practice problems are also invaluable. Make sure the book you choose has plenty of practice problems and full-length mock tests. For the analytical writing section, it's all about forming cogent arguments and articulating them effectively. Regular practice of writing essays on various topics can help a lot. Get your hands on GRE essay prompts from previous years or from practice materials. Don't forget to review sample essays as well, as they can provide useful insights into what graders are looking for in high-scoring essays. Remember, resources can be both online and physical. While prep books are great, don't overlook online resources such as forums, apps, and websites dedicated to GRE preparation. These can provide interactive ways to learn and practice, as well as community support. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found it helpful in your GRE test preparation. Remember, the right study materials can make a world of difference, but they can only take you so far. Regular practice, perseverance, and a positive mindset are just as important. Keep going, and you'll ace the GRE. Until next time, happy studying.